again. Jase, there's a puddle there. Just right there, Jase. That's the puddle.
The grip in it is insane, the side bite. Until you have puddles, which I was just trying to experiment, like what part of the puddle? Like all of the puddle. But
you do realise that it's only a mistake the first time?
Yeah, I know.
The second time it's a decision.
Yeah. Well, I thought it would get pretty wild, try and link up the back corner, but I just want to change the dampeners a bit, bump a bit more pressures in there. Far out, yeah, it's an amazing push with that ice fab, really cuts the corners up. Yeah, I just got to get more aggressive now.
Look at
Where's it? Which bolt? Which bolt is it? The back one there?
Yes, the one up under there. Hang on, I'll turn the steering wheel.
And then because we ended up giving them to friends and
We're up at 22. We've got heaps more grip with this different suspension.
Two qualifying runs and that's all.
we go home.
Go home.
Practice went well though. You
Yeah,
were good.
Yeah.
You worked out to stay away from that puddle, but that's after the
Oh, I was
run.
just mucking around with the passenger with that. Yeah, it's a little bit of a shake as I come in, just with the steering.
That last run looked really good.
Yeah, it was better. It's just the initiation, but by changing that diff and just stretching that out a bit.
Jase round last year was very impressive round one, and you're going to have a bit of work to do.
A good run.
Yeah, I didn't need to drag that handbrake, but I shit myself on the first run because I thought there was more grip there.
Yeah, you
So
got
I
it.
just played that super safe, that one.
Yeah, that first one was bad, but no, it was a nice run, and I think that was the right decision,
I
just to take it easy.
Yeah, I just couldn't afford another spin. I didn't want a double zero. Well, a double two or whatever it is. My guess is with that run, I would have scored myself with the scoring at the moment about 62.
Righto, we'll see. I don't even know what you got. I don't know what you got at all, but looked okay. Car's going all right. Was that the right diff?
Bro, the shake's gone in the wet, so I definitely think it's a power steer. I think the pressure relief valve's going in the power steer with the wise fab because the ratio closes up.
Have you got another one?
I do. That one there though, like, so I pulled the pumps apart and you got your pressure relief valve in the top of the pump.
Yep.
So I cranked the pintle, which is torqued and all sorts of things, but I cranked that, did a whole revolution to try and bring that stall pressure up.
What we actually need, someone needs to do a bloody drift electronic pump. I don't know if there are any that we can control.
Moment.
11.
Scored a 60 something.
What was it? 60 what?
Something. 60
I
something.
called 62, that's what it felt like. 60. The diff's the one, man, that'll be awesome in the dry.
Full one.
And then just
Sounded sick on limiter at the end.
flick, yeah. I knew that's what I had to do, but the hill was so wet, man.
Yeah, it's deceiving, eh? Like, we watched the...
But that crest where you get by the cone, you just got to tell yourself that as you get to that, it should drive you off the cone.
Yeah.
Like,
So, that Keep It Reed wagon,
yeah.
it looked a lot grippier for him than it did for everyone else.
Yeah. So our tyre pressures, this is
Kurt
never...
Blackie did it.
Yeah.
He's on form, eh?
Yeah.
Kurt's doing it. Real nice.
And how was his run before me? Mint.
Yeah, no, that's I mean, that run was good.
So by him running that and me running that, that's what we're doing.
So where he did it, so they're not ripping handbrakes.
Well done. So that's our day. Tidy it up, pack up, go home, ready for tomorrow.
And how much aggression can Fanga use? Essentially, all of it. Judges will certainly not like that entry. I don't think
That cone was in the wrong place anyway.